Use the key to open the battery cover. Take out the battery. Press and hold the power on button for 15 seconds to release the residual electrical energy. Use a 2.5mm hex key to unscrew the 4 screws that fix the decorative shell of the wiring port. Disconnect the small battery terminal. Disconnect the charging port harness terminal with a white sheath. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove 2 screws that fix the charging port. Take out the charging port. Install the charging port back. The opening and closing direction of the charging port cover faces the front of the vehicle. Tighten the 2 fixing screws. Plug back the wire harness terminal of the charging port. Plug back the small battery terminal. Reinstall the small battery. Tighten the 4 fixing screws. Reinstall the battery and the cover plate.